So for this practice, find a solid, comfortable seated position where you can keep your back nice and straight. And gently close your eyes. And allow your mind to wander. And see what thoughts come. And when the thought comes, focus on it. Look at it. Keep your attention on this thought, and only on this thought, and no other. Watch it slowly dissolve. Where did it come from? And where did it go? Now allow your mind to wander again until another thought comes. And once again, look at this thought. And only this thought. Put all your attention on the thought, but without following it to the next thought. Turn the thought around in your mind and observe it from every angle. And watch it disappear slowly. Now, I'd like you to think a new thought with intention. Decide what you want to think about. It could be any object, a car, a person, an animal, a situation. Intentionally create that thought in your mind. And now switch to another thought. Then think about another thing. And then switch to another thing. For the next few minutes, keep on doing this. Intentionally think a thought. And think that thought for no more than 10 seconds each time. And then switch to another thought. And switch. And now drop all efforts. Relax your mind and just allow your mind to drift. Make your mind into an open sky, and if there's a thought that appears like a cloud, just watch the cloud as it drifts across the expanse of the sky of your mind. And if you notice that you were lost in thought just now, simply return to that thought and only that thought. And do not follow any other thought, but simply watch the thought until it disappears. And spend the last couple minutes like this. Your mind adrift. Awareness wide and open. Being vigilant and observing at what comes in. And if you found again that you were lost in thought, just start again. And relax all efforts. The practice we did in this meditation is called Antar Mouna in Hindi or Sanskrit. And that is the practice of intentionally switching from thought to thought and staying on each thought for a few seconds before intentionally bringing another thought to mind. And this is effective at helping to tire your mind out, first of all. And it also trains you to be more observant and to deliberately switch your focus. So it's actually very useful if you're doing this kind of meditation where you're just observing the thoughts to begin for a couple of minutes of Antar Mouna, of deliberately recalling or creating thoughts and then switching them. And you'll find that your mind is more able to just rest if you do this at first. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you here next time for the next meditation.